Hey guys, we're here with Jason. Jason, good to see you, bud. Thank you. Jason's our ARTAS Robotic FUE procedure for tomorrow, so we're just doing his pre-procedure video. If we come in close here and take a look here, what we're going to do, guys, Jason is a former Marine, and he had a double aneurysm back 2005?
2004.
Yeah, 2004. So we have a scar here. So the goal is to mask the scar, lower the hairline. We're going to broaden the hairline, come across here, work up into the existing hair. So this is going to be great. ARTAS Robotic FUE is the most accurate FUE procedure in the world. Completely undetectable and natural results. We're going to harvest the follicles from the back, which are genetically permanent, and move them to the top.
I spent 10 years in the Marine Corps, so I've always kept my hair short and high and tight, so I've always been a proud Marine, wearing that continuously. The hair loss that I've noticed over the years started actually happening around 2004 after I had a double aneurysm. The scar itself took over the top of the crown of my head from one ear to the other, and with that I just started noticing and started becoming more particular with it. As a Marine, as a former Marine, coming and asking for help or even acknowledging a weakness, it's hard. It's very tough. And taking this step, I know it will be the best decision for me. When I first came in, I had absolutely no idea of what I was going to get into. I really wasn't coming in to make a decision to do this. But after talking with the consultant and actually seeing results, PAI stood out as being the professional route. I've always based my decisions on immediate response because a lot of times dealing in my career as a Marine, I had to make a decision. I had to make a quick decision. It was life or death. Granted, this is not life or death. This is the rest of my life. I did not want any scar lines to be noticeable, and having it done with the robotics, it gave me more confidence in choosing that route. I'm excited, anxious, a little skeptical, maybe slightly scared, but I'm ready to do this.
How are you feeling?
Good. No nausea, no dizziness, no headaches, no pain.
All
right now.
Good. So you're having a little bit of lunch now?
Yes.
Perfect.
Well, how many grafts here, guys? 1,400 grafts? This is 1,400 grafts packed in a frontal forelock area. You can't get grafts any closer than that. This is going to give a beautiful natural result. These guys have done an amazing job. Hey guys, we're here with Jason one day after his ARTAS Robotic FUE procedure. How you doing, buddy?
Wonderful.
How you feeling?
Absolutely great.
It looks good, guys. So less than 1 day after the completion of his hair transplant, look how clean this is. Look how close these grafts are. This is amazing. The accuracy of the ARTAS robot to extract these beautiful grafts and for us to be able to get them this close in a single transplant is perfect. You're looking at a lot of little tiny crustal scabs. These start to come off after about 4 days. The little hair seed or the bulb stays under the surface. It rests for 60 to 90 days before it starts to regrow. So when the scabs come off, the little hairs actually fall out with them, but the seed stays under the surface. Hey guys, we're here with Jason. Jace, good to see you.
Good to see you.
4 months since your ARTAS Robotic FUE. One of the goals coming with Jason was to mask that, reframe the face. Of course, likes to wear the high and tight, which we can still do when we do the ARTAS Robotic FUE procedure. With the ARTAS being so accurate, we can blend into the existing hair and give an undetectable look. We reframed the face and the frontal hairline, worked up to the midpoint, and again, this is only 4 months post-transplant, so it's looking superb. Most guys have about 40% growth. He already has most of the cosmetic change because there's now hair in places there weren't, but this will continue to thicken as time goes by. Now, the benefit with the ARTAS FUE robot, thanks to several advanced algorithms and the mapping systems we can use, the digital accuracy is harvesting the follicles from the back of the scalp and virtually leaving an undetectable look. This is the benefit of this technology for someone like Jason, guys that want to wear their hair really short. I mean, you wouldn't know that we've taken 4,000 hairs from there. Jace, looking great, man. Looking forward to this continuing to thicken up, and then we'll see you again in about another 8 months.
Sounds great.
Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you so much. Thanks again for your service. Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.